Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to make a shotgun like this, out of paper by hand. For this toy we will need A4 or letter-sized paper, tape, scissors and a pencil. First we take 2 sheets and make a tube out of them, along sheet length. We take our sheet and roll it up, about this diameter, and we glue these spots with tape. The second tube we make is a little smaller in diameter than this one. Just a little smaller. And we do the same thing, securing it with tape so it doesn't come apart. Here is our larger tube and the smaller one. Now we take a sheet of paper and roll it up. Now it's like this. We twist it so that we have it a little bigger than our tube so that it can move freely inside. Here, this one is smaller than the bottom one. Now we take it and also secure it with tape. We glued it with tape. Now we take it and cut it, making it a little smaller. I cut the tape like this, but also a little on this side. Here's what we have. We thread it in here. Now we take our 2 tubes, and here we need to glue them together, end to end, facing down. We take our tape and stick them together, but we don't stick them too tightly. We don't put them right next to each other, but with a small gap, about like this. Here's what we ended up with. It's such a thing. Now we take the second side and also secure it with tape. I took 3 sheets of paper right away and rolled them into a tube. 3 sheet. Roll the tube to a diameter this part fits snugly. Like this, roll it while pressing down harder. It fit snugly. This is how you roll it. Pressing down harder. And with tape. Also, here we glue everything together, and we glue it here on the side too with tape. So we end up with this shape. Then we raised it a little like this, and we got it. A little like this. Here we see. Now we take it and cut it straight here. We take 3 more sheets, and we roll them up like this. In half, we unfold it towards the middle, and here towards the middle. One more time in half. Ultimately, this way we ended up with a rigid piece of paper from 3 sheets. And we roll it up one more time, like this, in half. Now we take the tape and we glue it to each other. We take our gun and we just kind of simply do this. We pinch it a little. We take our piece, this will be our handle, and we insert it. Apparently it doesn't fit, so from the bottom we cut a little, just like this. We insert it there so that it fits, since we're going to like it this way. Like this, for example, whoops! And we glue it here very well with tape. This is what we got, friends. If you wish, we can cut off this edge, cut it like this, round it off, or we can simply wrap it like this. And on that side, just stick it with tape so that we get a rounded shape here. Now I've taken a small one. I took a piece of paper from our scraps and rolled it up. So I take the tape and use the tape. I'll wrap it around. And with the same tape, I bent it like this and stuck it here with tape. And somewhere at this level, I'll stick it on one side and on the other side here. I stick it here in exactly the same way. Here's how it looks. It's done. Now we just need to glue a small trigger here. It's definitely here with us. We also take some paper, roll it up with matte tape, and make a circle. But here, friends, I attached it. I made a lesson. Sight. Now we can aim here, and our hunting one like this. The shotgun is ready. We can paint it as we wish. or some of its parts. At the moment when we make and made from paper, then wrapped in colored paper, and it turns out we have such a cute paper shotgun. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Use successful crafts. Bye everyone.